Wahala, my people. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is shocked as Simon Ekpa's replacement drops brutal statement about sit-at-home in Igboland. See what was said that must happen, that got Nigerian government worried. Una know say Nigerian government, orchestrated the arrest of Simon Ekpa in the southeast, in the Finland, hoping that all this will stop the sit-at-home and the violence in the southeast region. But it be like say it not dey work. Now, immediately after his arrest, he has been replaced, and others are already, being given. The recent arrest of Simon Ekpa in Finland has sparked debate about the future of the weekly sit-at-home protest in Nigerian southeast, while some see his detention as a potential turning point. His loyalists insist the movement will not stop. Ngozi Arabweze, a key supporter and self-identified chief of staff for the Biafra Republic government in exile, Bridge, reaffirmed that the Monday sit-at-home directive remains mandatory. She emphasized that the protests, ostensibly in solidarity with incarcerated IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, were voluntarily embraced by the people and would continue despite Ekpa's absence. Ekpa's dual Finnish Nigerian citizen and the Prime Minister of the Bridge government in exile was detained by Finnish authorities on terrorism-related charges. He is accused of inciting violence in the southeastern Nigeria through social media campaigns. The Finnish police allege that his actions have resulted in crimes against civilians and public authorities in Nigeria. In a social media post, Ngozi thanked Finland for allegedly shading Ekpa from what she called the terrorist Nigeria regime. She also commended the Biafra Defense Forces for their efforts against perceived oppression, asserting that the struggle for Biafran's independence is far from over plans for a global gathering in Finland on December 2nd to commemorate the Biafra independence self-declaration, further highlight the commitment of his loyalists to the cause. However, reactions to Ekpa's arrest are divided. Some Nigerians, including prominent figures like Enugu State Governor Peter Mbah, see the development as a chance to restore peace in the region. Mbah has urged the federal government to expedite Ekpa's extradition to Nigeria, blaming his sit-at-home orders for widespread economic and social disruptions in the southeast. Meanwhile, IPOB has distanced itself from the sit-at-home mandate, with spokesperson Emma Powerful clarifying that the directives were not officially sanctioned by the group. Despite this, Ekpa's supporters remain resolute. Social media conversations reveal a mix of skepticism, continued support for Ekpa, and concerns that his arrest might not significantly deter his followers from sustaining the protest. The situation underscores the challenges facing Nigerian authorities as they work to address both the security and socio-economic impacts of the separatist agitation, whether Ekpa's detention will lead to a decline in the sit-at-home movement or further galvanize his loyalists remain to be seen. Say, I am saying this and I will continue to say this again. You see, these things are getting out of hand. For you to understand that Simon Ekpa's arrest will not still stop what they are doing in the southeast, at least Nigerian government would have taken another step to address these issues. It's important. You understand? It's important. Nigerian government should have taken another, steps to address this issue in the southeast. It will not stop it, oh. You get, unless the root of agitations in the southeast, is stopped. You get. So, my people, I beg, how na see this matter? Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, let it go viral. Thank you, and bye for now.